up on that Molly. All black Cavalli, shaked up on that Molly. All black Cavalli, all black Cavalli, shaked up on that Molly. Shaked up on that Molly.
I'm leaning, I'm riding, I'm rolling, I'm smoking. Leaning, I'm riding, I'm rolling, I'm smoking. I'm leaning, I'm riding, I'm rolling, I'm smoking. I'm leaning, I'm riding, I'm rolling, I'm smoking.
Down bottom,
Drink out 'em, play easy, talk crazy, be easy, Mac breezy, cock back, squeeze off, pop your wig, see the mix real long, do some sauce in your mix, shut. I'm off the hook, and if you go down this hard to push, chill around, criminal, born this way, play check it out, born real, resurrect the style, hit the dial, know we on that shit, got weight, gotta move that shit, let work, letting off the clips, hard body, car body, 12 gauge, 2 shots, see the light, Illuminati, 151, that's red rum, but so good, how I made it come, had a favorite, how I got it sprung, next you on me, licking off the tongue, can you roll with a play with them hammers run, shots in the back, little clips is on, any drama, we can get it on.
all black Cavalli, shaked up on that Molly. All black Cavalli, shaked up on that Molly. All black Cavalli, all black Cavalli, shaked up on that Molly. Shaked up on that Molly.
I'm leaning, I'm riding, I'm rolling, smoking. I'm leaning, I'm riding, I'm smoking. I'm leaning, I'm riding, I'm rolling, I'm smoking. I'm leaning, I'm riding, I'm rolling, I'm smoking. All black Cavalli, shaked up on that Molly, switched up on that Ivy, straight cash if you got me. Bottles up if you have to up, I'm on top. Gun cock, in depth when them shots fly. Cake maker, lawbreaker, shorty move like a salt shaker. M.O. B-double-B, ride around on that thing on me. Pop ones, hot ones, stick mode, blindfold, push and work in that all black range. When you stack, heavy stacking straight. Gunplay, regular, couple max, black on black, platinum tracks. When I spin it on wax with show chick, then that trick sick. Taking out the who's coming off the pit. Never seen loot, just smack my clip. Said I don't bake no story in. Space in the back, we pouring it. Till I need more ones, I'm cashing out.
All black Cavalli, shaked up on that Molly. All black Cavalli, shaked up on that Molly. All black Cavalli, all black Cavalli, shaked up on that Molly. Shaked up on that Molly.
I'm leaning, I'm riding, I'm rolling, I'm smoking. I'm leaning, I'm riding, I'm rolling, I'm smoking. I'm leaning, I'm riding, I'm rolling, I'm smoking. I'm leaning, I'm riding, I'm rolling, I'm smoking.
So finally we got her ready to go paint. Just a quick walk around the car.
I'll erase you here.
Yep.
Milwaukee, yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Some of you guys just got back from the paint shop. Just gonna do a quick walk around and compare it to how it was before. Here's a look at the 99 front bumper. It looks way more aggressive. inside shot. Just got done installing the 99 spoiler. Just shot from the back. And then inside. Oh, and by the way, this is G's Rx-7. That's my Evo 9, and that's my brother G's Rx-7. So tell me what you guys think. You guys think it look better?